Transferring videos from iPhone to iPad is easy, whether you use email, AirDrop, iTunes, iCloud, or others. We'll cover the 5 best methods to get your videos transferred quickly. Let's dive in. Part 1. How to transfer videos from iPhone to iPad with iOS Transfer. If you want a direct way to transfer purchased or non-purchased videos from iPhone to iPad, you can try a professional iPhone to iPad transfer solution, which is iOS Transfer. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Download, install, and launch the iOS Transfer. Connect your iPhone via USB, and the program will automatically detect your device, displaying your iPhone info and file categories. Step 2. Select videos. Click Videos and choose the ones to transfer. Step 3. Transfer to iPad. Connect your iPad, select it from the menu, and the transfer will start. Part 2. How to send video from iPhone to iPad with iTunes. Update iTunes. Connect your iPhone, select it, and click Summary Backup now. Disconnect, connect your iPad, and go to Summary Restore Backup to transfer videos. Part 3. How to transfer movies from iPhone to iPad with iCloud. On iPhone, go to Settings, iCloud, and enable iCloud Photo Library to sync videos. On iPad, link the same iCloud, enable iCloud Drive, and turn on iCloud Photo Library. Part 4. How to share videos from iPhone to iPad via AirDrop. Unlock both devices and connect them to the same Wi-Fi. Open Control Center, tap AirDrop, and choose Contacts Only or Everyone. Select the videos, tap Share, and choose your iPad. On your iPad, tap Accept to transfer the videos. Part 5. How to transfer videos from iPhone to iPad using email. Open Photos on your iPhone, select Videos, tap Share, and choose Mail to send them. On your iPad, open Mail, find the email, and download the videos.